I'm making moi moi today. This is my beans, yeah. These beans, I bought it already broken like this in a bag. So the one broken like this is more expensive. One little bag is about £6, £7. So I couldn't bother to buy the other one with the skin. That one it's hard to wash, isn't it? It takes a long time. This one is easy. All you do is just use water, wash it. You don't see any skin at all. But some people cook moi moi with the bean skin on, you know, which is one day I will try it as well. It's very healthy as well, you know. The skin does not kill, does not harm, you know. It contains nutrient as well. So that is the wash moi moi. Yeah, so this is what I'm gonna be grinding with it. My red bell pepper, onions goes in there. Yeah, my bonnet chili goes in there. My laketatashe goes in there. Yeah, so I'm gonna be using tin tomatoes, okay? Tin plum tomato. My garlic and fresh turmeric goes in there. That is fresh turmeric I'm using. Okay? And my garlic. Okay? And my chopped ginger goes in there. So I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna go and blend it. Another more tatashe. We just a little bit of these cherry tomatoes left in the fridge, but I'm gonna use puree tomatoes to do the cooking. Okay, guys. See you soon. Keep watching. Stay tuned. Love you all. Ta-da! That is the moi moi. Yeah, I put the oil, put my non-powder cube, put all the spices that I want in there. Okay, then put in a tomato puree, put in my olive oil. You know, I would have put in crayfish, but I cannot eat anything fish. Yeah, it's allergic to fish, so I don't know if I put crayfish. I don't know how it's gonna react. So I'm using corbeef, exter corbeef, and boiled eggs. I'm using what is it called? Foil paper, foil container for the moi moi, and original African leaf moi moi. I'm cooking two ways. Two moi moi, different wraps. Okay, guys, so keep watching. Okay, if this is the leaf, this leaf I've bought it like 4 months, 5 months ago. It was in the freezer. Yeah, you can freeze it. I bought it freezed from the African shop. So I'm gonna be putting my moi moi in there. Okay, the moi moi goes in there like that. This is original moi moi. This is how we cook moi moi back home, you know, down in the village, you know. So I'm gonna put my one egg in goes in there. My exter corbeef goes in there. This exter corbeef, it was nearly £3. I bought it from African shop, Nigerian shop. The one they write exter corbeef, not that corbeef. The other ones we see in the shop here doesn't taste well. I'm doing batch cooking of moi. It's ready. Look at the moi moi. Beautiful moi moi. Moi moi Elewe today. Moi moi. You can serve this like that with stew and chicken, fried meat. You know. My tea ready, guys. Oh, tea ready. Was. Look at the moi moi. Look at the moi moi. Beautiful, well cooked moi moi. Look at it. Look at the moi moi. Oh, I'm gonna sit down and eat this with gari. I eat with gari. Soaky, we call it. Look how steamy it is. Look. That's the moi moi. It's still steaming hot. Look at that. Sweet moi moi.